Welcome to the Lifestyle Medicine Update. I'm Dr. James Meschino. A fascinating research study on weight loss was published in the journal eClinical Medicine in April of 2020. Now, in the study, researchers recruited 69 subjects who were significantly overweight. Now, each subject wore a weighted vest 8 hours a day for 3 weeks and otherwise lived as they normally would. So the subjects were assigned to one of two groups. One group wore a weighted vest that weighed only about 2.2 pounds, while the treatment group wore a heavier vest that weighed a little bit over 24 pounds. So after 3 weeks, the subjects who wore the heavier vest, the vest that weighed about 24 pounds, they lost 3.5 pounds of pure fat from their body as their muscle tissue stayed essentially the same. So they lost fat, 3.5 pounds just from wearing the vest. Those wearing the lighter vest lost much less than 1 pound, so not very significant. So here's the explanation. Animal studies and now human studies have shown that somewhere in our brain or nervous system resides an internal body scale, or what scientists call our gravitostat, or sort of an internal weighing machine that our body is aware of. And through some internal mechanism, it appears that people who get comfortable at a particular set point weight, their body tends to bring them back to that weight no matter what they try to do. So it becomes very hard to lose weight once your body has a set point where it tells you to stay at a weight that is over your ideal weight. So somehow the internal body scale or weighing machine tries to bring us back to this internal set point, which can make weight loss very difficult for some people. So it appears that wearing a weighted vest, 24 pounds of vest, fools the body's internal weighing machine or gravitostat into thinking that there's too much weight on the body frame. In turn, it either adjusts our appetite and food consumption, or it helps us burn more calories to move the weight we're carrying around on our body frame down to the established set point weight. As the researchers explain, if people do a lot of sitting, what seems to happen is that the reading on the internal scale falls too low. See, the internal scale senses much less weight on the body when we're sitting versus when we're standing. So this may explain in part why sitting is so clearly associated with obesity and ill health. As such, weighted vests, if you're wearing a weighted vest of 24 pounds, it can raise the reading on the body's internal scale, prompting our body to try to lose excess weight in order to get us back down to our set point weight. Now, building on this idea of adding artificial weight to the body, in the New York Times bestseller book, The Sports Gene, David Epstein shines a light on the research showing that wearing 4-pound ankle weights wrapped around each ankle increases the calories burned during running by 24%. Now, the same or similar outcome probably occurs with walking as well. You burn more calories if your ankles weigh more. Now, using an 8-pound weighted vest around the waist only burned 4% more calories. So when it comes to walking or running, increasing weight at the ankles is how you burn more calories with each step or each stride. So here's a potential takeaway for individuals wanting to lose some body fat by incorporating weighted vests and ankle weights into their program, if this is something that you want to try. So during the day, if you have a sedentary job, consider wearing a 24-pound weighted vest. It may impact your internal body scale or gravitostat in a way that decreases your caloric intake naturally or helps you burn more calories through the day. If you're on a walking program for exercise, then take the weighted vest off and wrap a 4-pound ankle weight around each ankle, which has the potential to burn up to 24% more calories during the same exercise period. So I've included the references for this interesting information in the text below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.